Shimmery, shimmery, shimmery. What's up? I got it. I went to the store and I found it first, and so it's now mine. They didn't share very much. They're just like, buy. And so we're working at 5K 60 FPS. We have a new wind guard for clearer wind guarding, waterproof to 49 feet, or if you're a kilometer, it's 15 meters. That's really deep. That stat alone is going to put GoPro out of business. I don't think it's replaceable lenses though. I think that was a whole thingy that they were getting people with. I'm not really sure if the lenses are 100% replaceable or if that's just a lens guard and they were branding that a bunch. AI powered editing, I don't know exactly what that's gonna do. Auto backup to the cloud, cool. I'm gonna open this. Oh, it's a magnet little opening. Every environment, something, no limits, cool. New camera. Okay, so this one has the shield built in. The other one, they had this kind of shield that you could like put on the outside and protect the screen. I didn't know if it was to protect the screen or to protect the back, but this one, that kind of like octagonal triangle thingy is built into the back. So maybe it was meant for the back the whole time. Okay, the plug has changed. It's now a little pop socket. Boop. Yeah, the lenses are actually replaceable. They screw out. If you look really closely, you see the little grooves that are on the outside of the lens that aren't on. See, the other one doesn't have those little grooves outside. Come up here. So you can definitely replace these ones. That's cool. Let me get the lens guards on here before I break this too much. Do the old lens guards fit? That's a cool question. No, the old lens guards do not fit. So next in the box, there's this little box. Ooh, a bag. Oh, probably stickers. Inside the sock is a little wipey. Love the wipey. Cable charger. I don't get lens covers in this. What? What the heck is this? Doesn't it come with lens covers? And the old ones don't fit. Let me try. I'm trying again just to. What the heck is even that? Does it even look different? Yeah, one of them's bigger. That sucks. Wow. Okay. I got sketchy lenses. No way to unsketchy them. Well, I was super stoked and now I don't have lens covers. There's little slots for the lens covers. No lens covers. Amazon. What kind of launch is this? Where are my lens covers? There's not even X5 accessories up yet. I'm just gonna break my camera. They say replaceable lenses, but no lens covers? Okay. I got a cool cable that says Insta360 though. On the outside, almost the same camera. It's a little bit, looks like the same height. No, the new one's a little bit taller. I'd say it's a little bit fatter too. You can definitely tell, oh, there's like new mounting brackets on the bottom too. And then we'll open up this battery. This battery was made in 2024. Weird. 2400 milliamps. And they're claiming 3-hour battery life. And so the last battery was 2290. So they added 110 milliamps, and now the camera lasts twice as long. I would like to know why. Oh, also instead of 4.4 volts, it's 4.48 volts. And this has a little more watt hours. Okay. Basically just they up the voltage on this one, and so they can last a little bit longer. Oh, and it has a different little connecty port. This one connects at the bottom and then this one connects at the top. So can't even put it in the other one. You have to get all new everythings. Stoked on that. I'm gonna finish letting this charge and then go do see how long I can record, upload the whole thing. Open the little wipey just to make sure the lens covers aren't in here. Insta360, think bold, enough to not give you lens covers. Fuck. Eventually I'm gonna stress test this, see how far underwater I can put it, see if we can find some whales, put on a fishing rod. This thing goes 50 feet, like there's so many options I can do with this.